For this project, we are supposed to build a robot that has the ability to climb a ladder, only using either actuators, relays, sensors, button panels, throttle valves, etc. Also, the ladder must start at the 4th rung at the bottom of the ladder, and it must reach all the way to the top, grabbing onto each individual rung as it climbs. Also, as you can see from this picture, these are all the materials we used to create our robot. Here we have screenshots of us building the robot. As you can see, we used 2 double acting cylinders used to climb up the robot. Also, at the ends of the base of the robot, we have wheels attached to them, so then it will be attached on the ladder, so then when it climbs up, there's support when it climbs up. Also, we attached magnetic reed sensors at the top and the bottom of the cylinders, so then it will know when to retract and when to extend. But when we wired it up, there were too many wires, so we took those sensors out and we used time relays to know when to extend and when to retract. Also, we built 3D parts for the claws as well. We had a few problems when we were testing out the robot. As you can see from the picture, we have a bent metal piece when the cylinder extends. So in order to fix that, we added more metal to it, so then it gives it more support so it does not bend. Also, the metal that was holding the cylinder would lean left or right when it climbs the ladder. So in order to fix that, we added more screws to the bottom of the base of the cylinder. Also, another problem we had was that the robot would lean forward when it climbs up, or would lean too far back and it wouldn't be close enough to grab the rungs. So in order to fix that, we created a new base that gets attached to the ladder, as you can see from this picture. Here in FluidSim, I have a diagram showing how our robot is connected electrically. As you can see, I used an easy port and 4 timed relays and 2 regular relays. In the input side of the easy port, we connected a detemp button on port 0. When that detemp button is pressed, K1 is lit, and that starts the whole time relay section. Each time is 1.5 seconds apart, and it's a total for 6 seconds. Time relay 2K2 to 2K3 is used to extend and retract the left cylinder, and time relay 2K4 and 2K5 is used to extend and retract the right cylinder. Alright, go ahead.
Yeah,
it still does it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It might be because it's going.
It might be because it's early, I'm thinking. It really did. It did a
I conclude that there is one thing we can do to modify the design of the robot. As you can see from the previous video, the wheels that are attached to the ladder were not entirely connected to it. So in order to change that, instead of having wheels, we use metal clamps that will actually attach to the side of the ladder, and it will slide easily up and down the ladder.